How to change DNS settings on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change DNS settings on your Android phone. So this can help improve browsing speed, security, and even unlock restricted website. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on connection and sharing. And now here, inside this section, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as private DNS. So simply tap on it. So here, on most of the phones, you'll find it under off or auto connection. So here you simply have to tap on private DNS provider hostname, and now here in the text box below you either have to type in dns.google for Google DNS or 1.1.1.1 for Cloudflare DNS. And here once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on save, and here if your phone doesn't support private DNS, then you can change DNS for a specific Wi-Fi network. So here to do that, you simply have to go to the Wi-Fi settings, and here you just have to long press on the network, and here you simply have to choose to modify the network. So here you can simply tap on privacy, and here in this section, you can simply enter your preferred DNS address manually and save it. And that's it. That's how you can change DNS settings on Android to make your internet faster and safer. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.